Top 10 Facts about Solar System. The solar system, like any other system, exists in the relationships and interconnections between space objects. In our case, the Sun is the main star, and other objects are held by gravity. The solar system is not unique in its existence. There are many others in the universe, but their study is mostly based on hypotheses. Moreover, even our solar system has not been studied at all 100%, and here are 10 facts about it. 10. Asteroids. Pallada is considered to be the largest asteroid in the solar system, but until 2006 this title was held by an asteroid called Ceres, but then it was recognized as a dwarf planet. Asteroids can be made of various materials, including rock, metal, and ice. Some asteroids have satellites that orbit around them. Asteroids can collide with each other, which can lead to the formation of larger space objects. 9. Atmospheric density. Atmospheric density is not only a feature of gas giant planets, but also Earth, Titan, and Venus. The densest atmosphere is found on the surface of Venus, where the pressure at ground level is about 90 atmospheres, comparable to the pressure at the depth of the Earth's oceans. The most tenuous atmosphere in the solar system is found on the surface of Mars, where the pressure at ground level is less than 1% of Earth's pressure. The atmosphere on the Moon is so thin that it is almost non-existent, and its density is billions of times less than that of Earth. 8. Comet Gale-Bopp. This comet is considered one of the most visible comets of all time in the solar system. It could be seen in the sky with the naked eye for 18 months. Comet Hale-Bopp was independently discovered by two astronomers, Alan Hale and Thomas Bopp, in 1995. Around the same time that the comet was visible from Earth, it was passing by Jupiter. This caused it to be very bright, as Jupiter reflected sunlight onto the comet. During a close approach to the Sun, the comet split into two parts, making it even more spectacular. 7. Rings. A well-known planet with rings is certainly Saturn, but this is not the only planet in our system that has this feature. In fact, 3 other planets are characterized by this cosmic phenomenon. These are Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune. Saturn's rings are made up of ice and rocks, which make them shine and sparkle in the night sky. Jupiter's rings can be seen from Earth, but only with the use of a telescope. Uranus's rings were only discovered in 1977 by the Voyager 2 spacecraft. They are thin, dark rings made mostly of dark material. Neptune's rings are very faint and made of dark material. They were discovered in 1984 by the Voyager 2 spacecraft. 6. Second Earth. There is a body in the solar system that resembles the Earth. This is a satellite of Saturn Titan. The unique similarity is not only the appearance, has rivers, volcanoes, etc. It is in the fact that the distance between Saturn and Titan is proportional to how far the Earth's orbit is from the Sun. Some scientists believe that Titan could be a potentially habitable place in our solar system, as its atmosphere is composed of 90% nitrogen, just like Earth's atmosphere. 5. Earth formation. Due to the fact that our planet Earth is rich in heavy metals, many researchers have concluded that the formation of our entire solar system was due to stars that existed before, but exploded during the so-called aging, when the core lacks fuel for energy production. This happened about 4.6 billion years ago. Initially, the Earth was very hot and could have been covered in molten magma, which eventually cooled and formed the crust. There is a hypothesis that the Moon was formed as a result of a collision between the Earth and an object the size of Mars, and the debris from this collision formed the Moon. The formation of the Earth is still ongoing and involves processes such as plate tectonics, which lead to the formation of mountains, and erosion, which alters landscapes. 4. Laws of the universe. Despite the fact that the solar system revolves around the center of the galaxy, it was not built in accordance with the laws of the universe. Our system has a tail that is similar to a 4-leaf clover. The existence of such a tail contradicts all the laws. But there are laws that operate throughout the universe. The laws of physics, such as the law of universal gravitation and the laws of thermodynamics, apply throughout the universe and cannot be violated. There are many hypotheses about possible new laws of the universe that may be discovered in the future, such as the laws of quantum gravity. There is a theory that the laws of the universe may be related to numbers, such as the golden ratio and Fibonacci numbers. 3. Rotation of the planets. All the planets in the solar system rotate counterclockwise, but only Venus rotates clockwise. The fastest planet rotates around its axis in 9.93 hours, and that is Jupiter. The slowest planet rotates around its axis in 243 Earth days, and that is Venus. Planets that are closer to the Sun rotate faster than those that are farther away. Some planets have atypical rotation shapes. For example, Earth has a slight wobble caused by the rotation of its liquid core, while Jupiter has varying rotation speeds at different latitudes. 2. Solar system rotation. Interestingly, the rotation of planets and other cosmic objects around the Sun is not surprising. Our solar system also revolves around the center of the universe and is an object in the larger system of our galaxy. Astronomical research has shown that the speed of rotation of our system is 220,240 km/s. Our solar system is moving in the direction of the star Vega, which is located in the constellation of Lyra. The time it takes for the Sun to make one orbit around the center of the Milky Way is about 225 to 250 million years. This means that during the lifetime of the Sun, about 10 billion years, it has completed approximately 40 to 45 orbits around the center of the Milky Way. 1. Solar system formation. The solar system is not that old by space standards. It is only 4.57 billion years old. From that moment on, our system began to form, and the planets with their satellites, according to the theory of the solar system, formed from a dust gas cloud. The planets in the solar system were formed through accretion, which is the gradual merging of small particles into larger objects. There are hypotheses about the existence of additional planets in the solar system, including Planet X inside the orbit of Neptune and Pluto, which was previously considered the ninth planet but is now classified as a dwarf planet. Studying the formation of the solar system and other stellar systems helps us understand the processes that underlie the emergence of life in the universe.